welcome back to another video. So in this video what I'm going to be doing is just doing all my foils, well not all of them, but I'm going to get through as many as I can. So I've prepped my pop sticks, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a section off of all of these, and then I'll come back and show you me putting them onto the pop sticks. Okay, so I've cut all these ready. So obviously I'm going to have my pop sticks, and what I'm going to be using for the foil transfer is this foil transfer gel, which I found on eBay just because I like to have a full coverage. Now this might not go full coverage, we're going to see how it goes. I've not actually used any of these yet, but this is what I'm going to use, and I'll leave the link for this in the description below. I'll also leave the link for the foils that I got, and I do have more of these coming. So with this foil gel, you just obviously use it like you would a polish. And then this goes in for 60 seconds. So what I'll do is I'll just do quite a few of these while we're waiting. Okay, so this is the first one ready. So what I'll do is I'll just press that on. I'm just going to use my fingers to rub it in. You can also come in with a silicone tool and just rub it in like that, but I just prefer to use my fingers. So that's the first one done. So I don't throw these away because I'll barely use those little pieces, so I'll just pop that to the side. And then we'll move on to the next one. And again, I'm just pressing that onto the nail, coming in with my fingers and just smoothing that right out. So once these are all done, what I'll do is I will come in and top coat them. And if this was on a client, I would do 2 layers of top coat just to make sure that they were sealed properly in place. So I'll just do them all, but what I'll do is I will speed them up, but it's just so that you can see the variety that I've got. So now that they're all done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and top coat them. Now usually I would use my Shinty Gel top coat, but I don't want to waste that, I want to keep that for clients, so I'm just going to come in and use my Cooper Gel Finette. So I'll just top coat all these and they'll all go in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I don't think you want to see me top coating them all, so what I'll do is I'll top coat them all and I'll come back with a few photos to show you the outcome. So this is them all top coated, guys. I have taken my phone off the stand just to show you. There is somewhere I've missed a couple of bits. It's probably where I've let the foils fold over. But yeah, I'll get the rest done when they arrive, but they're looking not too bad. Anyway guys, I'll let you go just now. As I said before, I'll leave the stuff in the description below of where I got these from, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.